In today's recipe, we are making a light, healthy and delicious one-pot dish, dry Lauki Moong Dal Sabzi, cooked entirely in a Kadai. No extra pans, no fuss, just wholesome flavor in one pot. Let's begin. Add some oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red chilies and chopped onions. Saute the onions until they are transparent. Now add crushed garlic and saute well. Now add grated Bottlegourd. This is one small sized Bottlegourd. You can adjust the quantity according to the need. You can either grate them like this or chop into small pieces. Now give it a nice mix until the onions and Bottlegourd slices are nicely mixed. Now add chopped tomato. Here I have used one tomato for one small Bottlegourd and I have used one small onion. Now add soaked moong dal. I have soaked this moong dal for about 30 minutes and then add it. Give it a nice mix. And time to add turmeric powder, mix it all well. Let it cook until 80% of the water is absorbed. Add slit green chilies. Adjust the spice level according to your taste. Now we are going to steam cook this. That means we are going to leave 20% of water in the dal and trap the steam by covering it with a lid. This way the final result will be very tasty and yummy. So after 5 minutes, just remove the lid and see that your dal is nicely cooked with the help of steam and all the vegetables are also cooked. Perfect. If desired, pour some ghee on top and season with salt. This kind of preparation of dal, which is little dry, tastes very well with hot white rice or chapatis. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you. And if you like the recipe or want more of such recipes, please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.